Hello, everyone, and welcome to WPEureka.com. This is Jason, your host, and here we are on the final video of this series of WordPress from start to finish. Now we're going to do a brief review on what we've picked up thus far. Then we're going to get into actually setting up your WordPress so you can see your homepage and your dashboard, which is your backend. Alright, so let's get started. So, you purchase your domain, now what? So you have to make sure you have hosting. This is where you're going to store your web files, your images, and of course your database. Next, we went through setting up your MySQL database, and we saw how easy it is to create a database by simply giving your host a password. It was that simple. Third, we created an FTP user, which was as simple as anything else. Just give me a username, password, and you're set to go. Fourth and fifth, we downloaded FileZilla and WordPress from WordPress.org, and we set up FTP through FileZilla so we can upload our content and our files. And fifth, we downloaded WordPress platform so we can obviously utilize the power of WordPress. And now let's get started with setting up the actual WordPress website. Okay, so here we are. Let's type in the domain or your website name that you're going to perform this install for. For me, it was pinkenergy.org, and hit enter. This should take you to your installation page, which you see here. Now, you get the welcome stuff and all that blah blah. Site title. Now, I want to urge you to really think about this for a second. Your site title is going to be what search engines see the title of your homepage for. So really give it a good title. You can always edit this, and possibly in a later video where we're discussing SEO, also known as search engine optimization, we'll go into site titles. But for now, I'm just going to put bracelets and leave it at that. And I'm going to put here my name and give it my email address and a good password. And I'm sorry, I put my email address here. It should be just my username, which will be my name, Jason, at pinkenergy.org. And of course, privacy allows search engines to index the site. Of course you want to. How else will you get free traffic? So click install WordPress, and this will take a second, and it's that easy. You're done. And if you see an error here, shoot me over an email at jason@wpeureka.com, and I will be happy to assist you in troubleshooting your WordPress install for free. And I will reply to you within 24 hours. So if you did get a success, go ahead and click login. And this is the user that you created right before the screen, and put in your password. I always click remember me because I don't want to go through the hassle of putting in my passwords. Now that's a bit of a security risk, but that's neither here nor there. So here is what's called the WordPress dashboard. This is the back end of your website. Here you'll be able to create blog posts, pages, delete comments, enable comments, site appearance, where you'll be able to choose a theme. You can customize it, add widgets, change different things, plugins, which is essential to WordPress websites. It gives you added functionality to your site. Do some research here. Don't just install any plugin. You don't want to have 100 plugins on your website. Username, obviously you can change your name, change your email address, add more about you. Tools, self-explanatory. Settings is where you'll go to change your site name. As you can see, here's bracelets, and maybe I want to say rubber band bracelets instead of what I just did. And as you can see, there's other things you can change here, and you should go through each and every one of these things and get familiar with WordPress. It'll take you maybe 15 minutes a day, and within a week you should feel comfortable with this back end. Now, if you're asking how do I get to my home page, it's simple. You are going to click here, visit site, or go to www whatever your website is.com. Mine is pinkenergy.com. I'm sorry, pinkenergy.org. And this is it. I know it's not a very attractive page currently. I haven't done anything with it. Designing your page will be on you. If you don't want to design a page, I'm going to give you a tip. Why reinvent the wheel? There is a great website called themeforest.net. And here you will be able to purchase a template for WordPress. And they have many, 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 many WordPress templates that look beautiful. I encourage you to go here, find a template that you like, upload the template via themes. You're going to upload them here. So click add new and then just upload it. It has to be in a .zip format. Once you upload it, you are going to come to back to themes, and it's as easy as activate, and you're done. I mean, I'll take a look now at my theme. I did change it to one of the other free ones, and there you go. As you can see, it was very easy to install WordPress. You don't have to pay anyone $100 per hour to install your WordPress. It's very simple. It's as simple as following the bouncing ball. And I hope that this video series actually did help you. And if it did, I want you to send this video series link to someone you know who is either considering starting a blog, starting a website, whatever the case may be. Encourage them to use WordPress. It's a monster of a platform that is free. It's open source. There's a large community of people who are actually willing to assist you, and the limits are endless. I mean, this is a great platform. I've been using it for years. I've been a web designer. I've been doing internet marketing for the last 10 years. So I preach that WordPress is great because it is. And I can't stress enough the importance of sharing this with others. Get the knowledge out there. Don't let people get taken advantage of from other countries which are trying to sell you things you don't need. So once again, if you have any questions, shoot me over an email at jason@wpeureka.com, and I'll be glad to assist you in any way that I can. Once again, I look forward to seeing you, and make sure you subscribe on my website to wpeureka.com. Subscribe to our mailing list, and you'll receive 2 to 3 actionable emails per week. And when I say actionable, I mean it'll be things like do this so that you can gain better conversions, or do this to increase the speed of your website. So those are called actionable emails. And about once a week, once every 2 weeks, you'll receive a updated blog post. So as you can see on the blog, we write everything from how to do SEO for WordPress websites to plugin reviews. We're thanking the creators of WordPress. So it's very beneficial to be on our mailing list, and we promise you we won't ever spam you. So once again, have a great day. It's been a pleasure working with you guys. My name is Jason, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future.